At Royal Inland Hospital, we've been a proud partner in the installation of MTRs across 3 floors over a 6-month period. A multi-trade rack is a structural steel frame on which all ceiling building systems can be prefabricated off-site in a controlled environment. These MTRs include all mechanical and electrical systems, and with a steel stud contractor as a partner on this project, we were even able to incorporate the upper section of the corridor walls. To make this happen, the trades involved work collaboratively to create an MTR design that accounts for all components and requirements, which is then 3D modeled and physically mocked up before production begins. Once all the systems are installed off-site, the MTR is shipped to the job site and installed as a single unit. This process helps reduce challenges stemming from traditional installation practices, like trade stacking, congested job sites, and challenging access for material management. It also enables the trades to start the work before the building is even ready, reducing the risks of schedule overruns.